Welcome to Tant Machinery. Today, we are introducing our 37-meter disc mixer pump truck, an innovative machine that combines concrete mixing, conveying, and pumping in one integrated solution. Designed for efficiency and flexibility, this machine is ideal for residential construction, industrial buildings, infrastructure projects, and remote job sites where equipment mobility and productivity are essential. One machine, multiple functions, higher efficiency. Machine overview. This model features a 37-meter placing boom with a flexible 5-section design. The boom structure provides a wide placing range and allows operators to easily reach different pouring positions while maintaining stable and precise concrete placement. The machine integrates 3 working processes into one unit: concrete mixing, concrete conveying, concrete pumping. Compared with traditional construction methods that require separate mixers and concrete pumps, this integrated solution significantly reduces equipment investment, labor requirements, and operating costs. For contractors looking for efficiency and convenience, it offers a practical and cost-effective solution. Disc mixing system. One of the key features of this machine is its high-efficiency disc mixing system. The disc mixer continuously blends cement, aggregates, water, and additives to produce homogeneous concrete with consistent quality. Unlike conventional batch mixing methods, the continuous mixing process offers several advantages: stable material feeding, continuous concrete production. After mixing, the concrete is transferred directly into the pumping system without secondary transportation. This seamless workflow improves construction efficiency and minimizes material handling. Mixing and pumping happen within one machine and one working process. Boom system. The machine adopts a 37-meter, 5-section boom design. Each boom section is engineered for smooth unfolding, stable operation, and precise placement. The flexible boom configuration allows the machine to adapt to different construction environments, including residential buildings, industrial plants, road construction projects, bridge construction, rural housing developments. The extended reach and flexible articulation reduce manual handling and help operators place concrete more efficiently and safely. Pumping system. Reliable pumping performance is essential for any concrete placing equipment. This machine is equipped with a mature and dependable hydraulic pumping system designed for continuous operation under demanding conditions. Key advantages include stable pumping pressure, smooth material flow, high pumping efficiency, reliable performance during long working hours, easy maintenance and serviceability. Whether working on urban construction sites or projects in remote areas, the machine delivers consistent pumping performance and helps contractors complete projects faster. The 37-meter disc mixer pump truck is widely used in residential housing projects, commercial buildings, industrial facilities, road and bridge construction, municipal infrastructure projects, rural development projects. It is particularly suitable for regions where equipment resources and labor availability are limited. One machine can replace multiple pieces of equipment while improving overall construction efficiency. At Tant Machinery, every machine undergoes strict manufacturing standards and comprehensive testing procedures before delivery. Our mission is to provide reliable, efficient, and innovative concrete machinery solutions for customers worldwide. Thanks for your watching. If you are interested, you can follow us. See you in next video.